Before we proceed, please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified once I release a new video. Now the Vite has downloaded everything for us, and now I will not go into details of what each of these files and folders contains, but I will just provide an overview of what is necessary for this tutorial. So if you look at some of these files, the most important one is the app, or rather the most important one for us to know about is the SRC folder and the public one. The SRC folder is the source folder. This is the folder that contains most of the programs that we will be using in this tutorial. So even if you may need to learn much about other files, at this time you don't need to know much about each of them, except that you only need to know that you should be working on the source folder. So this is what we are going to do. And one of the most important folders in this one of the most important files in this folder is the app.js file. This is the file that contains most of the important elements that we are going to use in this tutorial. So to see the output of what the Vite has downloaded for us, then we need to start by going into the file that we created. In our case, we are on the tutorial. Next, we need to cd into the Frontend file. We also need to cd into the Vite project. Cd Vite project. Next, we need to run npm run dev. npm run dev, so that we can have a look at what the Vite has downloaded for us. So this is the output, and we need to copy this link and now open it onto our browser. So let's just paste it here and learn the. Okay, if you look at the output here, maybe you can do some adjustments to this. Yes, what we have here, this is what we have on the web page. So this is what the React.js has returned for us, or this is what we can see on the web page. So, and because we do not need all this thing, because it is not necessary in our project, then we need to delete them. We need to delete all these so that we can have an empty. Then do save. The project needs to refresh. Yes, it has refreshed. So if we type something here like welcome to my React.js tutorial, then save. This is the output. So this is what the React.js is returning to us. And some other things here, we do not need them. Maybe I think we need, this is the CSS. We need to delete this because we do not need it. We are going to do it for ourselves. If you save it, then you can see that it has changed. We also have another one we may need, not this one. We need CSS and app.js. We also need to delete this one because we may not need this one. We will create our own. So this is what you're going to see once you create your first React tutorial. This is what we are going to do, and this is what we are going to build on. So if you're getting any value from this tutorial, please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel so that I can update you once I release the next tutorial. Thank you.